Right here we have one of the best case that you can get for your AirPods Pro 2. I say that because not every AirPods Pro 2 case comes with a case lock to stop the case and the AirPods from going all over the place when you drop it. In this video I'll be unboxing the Mobosi Carbon Fiber cover for the AirPods Pro 2. I will show you how to set up this case on your AirPods Pro 2 and also do a real life test with this case on my AirPods Pro 2. Timestamps and links to everything that I talk about in this video will be in the description. So if you see something that sparks your interest, then feel free to check it out. Alright, let's start off with the unboxing. The box which this comes in is mostly black with a little bit of silver printing on it. On the front of the case you have Mobosi for AirPods case. Under that you have Mobosi drop protection, MIL, and some kind of verification drop test beside that. On the right side of the box you have a small sentence saying, "We hope you never have the need, but if you do, our service teams will always stand by your side." Then under that you have a small support email for this case and a website for this case. On the left side of the box you just have designed by Mobosi. On the back of the box it shows you 3 features that comes with this case, which are full protective, wireless charging, and shockproof. Under that you have the barcode and the name of the case. On the top and the bottom of the case you just have open here, so I'm guessing you can open the box on either side. Now let's open this box and take a look at what we have inside the box. Wow, this is new. So this is actually a case inside the box of the case, if you guys get what I'm saying. Inside the box we are left with a small instruction paper which basically state to use your adhesive tape as needed. They also show you step by step on how to install your adhesive tape. Adhesive tape is just a tape used to bond or join objects together, in this case to join your case and your AirPods case together. Now let's see what's inside of this case. Here we have the case tucked in a section of the case. The case is wrapped in plastic. Now let's take the case out of the plastic. Right here we have the case for the AirPods Pro 2. It also has labels to let you know where the front side of the case is. This is the top half of the case. It feels like a hard but flexible rubber, and it also has a carbon fiber finish to it on the front side. If you look closely you can tell that this case was definitely made to protect. Just look here and here. Now to the bottom half of the case. You can see the same carbon fiber finish on the front side, and also you can closely see that this was made to protect the AirPods Pro 2 by all costs. On the right side you have a lock which is used to lock your AirPods Pro 2 case down safely, so when it's dropped it doesn't shell out all over the place. On the left side you have a loop for the carabiner, which we'll get to soon. You also have cutouts for the LED indicator, the button, the speaker and the speaker vent hole, and also the charging port. However, I don't see a cutout for the landlord loop. In this plastic Ziploc bag we have the carabiner and an extra adhesive tape and a removal tool. Now this is the carabiner right here. It feels very durable and snappy. Here's a closer look at the adhesive tape, and this is the removal tool. I will show you how to use the removal tool later on in this video. Now let's set this up. Get your AirPods Pro 2. Before we put on the top half of the case, just go ahead and remove the films from the adhesive tape. And make sure that your AirPods Pro 2 is clean. That way you'll get the best sticking out of the case. Now place it on the top of your AirPods Pro 2 like this. For the bottom half of the case, just simply slide it on like this. Then take the carabiner and open it like this and put it on the loop. You can also go ahead and remove the labels right here and here also. And that's it for the setup. By the way, here's how to use the removal tool. So get it right here, your earbuds right here, put it in the hole like this, place it down like this, and then just push, pressure like that, and there you have it. Comes right off like that. So that's how you use the removal tool. Now let's do some real life tests. Let's do a speaker and a LED indicator test. I'll be using the Find My feature on my iPhone to play a sound and see if we can hear it while it's in the case, and see if we can also see the LED indicator flashing. Now let's test out the Carabiner. This is how it looks when it's on my bag. You can attach this to whatever you want. Now let's see if we can charge our Apple AirPods Pro 2 while it's in this case. So I'm gonna try it on the wireless charger first, right here. Wow, it is charging. Nice. You can see by the light right there. Let me take it off the tripod so you can see. The light is orange, so it's charging. So it works perfectly on the wireless charger while in the case, which is good. I also want to see if it will charge on the Apple Watch charger right here. So let's place it on. It doesn't seem to charge on the Apple Watch charger. I'm guessing the case is too thick, but I'm not getting a chime that is charging. Let's try it on the MagSafe charger right here. And it doesn't charge on the MagSafe, which is not really surprising because it's not made to charge on the MagSafe. Alright guys, let's do a charging test with the actual charger right here. Wow. It's charged perfectly fine. You hear the chime and everything. The clearance is good. Your charger is not bumping on your case or anything like that, so perfectly fine with this case on. Also guys, I want to see if I can use this case right here as a travel case. So let's see. Put it in there. Let's see if it will fit. Let's try to zip it up like this. Wow, it actually fits. So extra protection for your AirPods Pro 2 case, inside the case, inside the case. So you get two cases for the price of one. A very tough case and also a travel case, which is really good. So you can use this if you want to be really secure of your AirPods. So just put it in there and you should be good. Alright guys, so I want to do a button test. So I'm just going to literally click the button because not every case you can use the button right here. So let's go ahead and press it. Yep, the button is pressing. You don't really hear a click to it. It's kind of silent, which is good, but it does press and it does feel good while you're pressing it. Now for the moment that we all been waiting for, the drop test. As you can see, my case is locked and in place, so I'm going to do a drop test and see how it works out. 3, 2, 1, drop. Now overall, I think this case might just be in the top 5 best case for the Apple AirPods Pro 2. The only thing that you're losing is the ability to use your landlord while it's in the case. But if you really want to use a landlord, you can always just attach the landlord to the Carabiner loop instead of attaching the Carabiner. I like the fact that they actually have a lock to lock this case. That lock right there will save you from replacing one of your AirPods or even your AirPods overall, which will save you a lot of money. Just one thing to note guys, please make sure you use this tool to take off your AirPods because it's on really tight. So don't try to take it off without this tool because you might just break this right here. So make sure you use the tool and take it off, or else you might just break your AirPods Pro 2. So yeah. If you're interested in this case, a link will be provided in the description, so go ahead and check it out. Thanks for watching. If you want to see another case for the Apple AirPods Pro 2, then check this video out. Peace.